over here we're going to make a Kaffir lime broth. It consists of coconut milk.
I love coconut milk.
Then we're going to add a couple Thai chilies, all depending on how spicy you like it. We're going to add 2, just cut up a little bit.
I like it spicy, so don't be shy.
Add 3.
Yeah, go for it.
And then we're going to take a chiffonade of Kaffir lime leaves. Kaffir lime leaves are the leaves of a lime tree from Southeast Asia. Used a lot in Thai food, Vietnamese.
Super fragrant. I can
Yeah,
actually
absolutely.
smell them from all the way over here.
So we're going to add that to the broth, as well as some sugar and some salt. And finish with fresh lime juice.
Nice.
So we're going to put this on the stove and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we turn it off. Then we let it cool overnight in the refrigerator. And the next day we strain it out.
So you kind of let it steep almost
yeah,
like
to get
tea.
most of the flavor out of the lime leaves and the chilies.